What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a little opening. I'm gonna be showing you guys my BMX. So I got what's this called? Fail. Yeah. I got a BMX frame, BMX front room, BMX back room, BMX frame, BMX thing. These things, pedals, BMX seat. I don't know if you can call it a BMX chain. It's just a chain. Yeah. BMX handlebars, BMX, I have no idea what that's called. But yeah, that. And, let's get on with the race. Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna end the vlog right here because, not the vlog. What the fuck? The bike setup or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the video. Peace.